Let me fix you. Let me fix you. There. Hi. How is everyone doing? Really missed you guys. So I am back today with, look, never fails. With my box. Let's unbox this together. So today is Saturday and I am off. I have like a million mosquito bites today because, as I told you in my last video, I was trying to get my yard cleaned up and I finally did. Thank goodness. So I had someone come and clean up the yard, and today I was planting some flowers and decorating it, you know, with some lights and stuff like that. Looks pretty cool. It's not as much as I want, but for now it'll do until I purchase some more. But I received this box yesterday and I could not wait to open it. I haven't opened it. I have not. I just broke the seal to make it easier for the video. I have no idea what's in this box, so let's get inside this baby. So the box looks like that, and let's open it up. Open up. Of course, it has the little magazine thingy that it always comes with, right? And it says Rocky Barnes. I love this. I always look forward to this box because their products are awesome. Awesome. So I don't know, but you know, whatever this magazine has inside, it usually has something to do with what's inside the box. So I am pretty psyched to see what's inside the box. Nice. So it has some traveling products in here. This is really nice. What else? And just some makeup tips. So I'll take a look at that. I always read these. I really like looking at that, and I like when they have when they come with calendars inside, because I'll hang them up in my fridge when they have nice things to do for the month. That's really awesome. All right, so the box looks like this inside. See, I told you I didn't even break the seal. I have no idea what's in this box, people. So excited. All right, so let's break it open. Oh, okay. This is pretty. So it comes like that. So it says FabFitFun Taste of Summer. All right, so let's. Oh, this one says Pier 1 Imports. So what did Pier 1 send me? Let's see. What? Okay. So it comes in a little wrapper thingy, right? It came in bubble wrap. I have no idea, but this is cute. It's like a little porcelain plate. Look at that. I guess you can put this like on your dresser and put your jewelry on it. It's a marble texture. That's pretty. This is really pretty. I'm gonna definitely put this, and it matches with my room. I'm gonna definitely put this on my dresser. That's nice. From Pier 1. Oh, awesome, Pier 1. Thank you. That is really pretty. Really nice. And you know what? I actually needed something like this. So when I take my earrings off at the end of the day, I'll put it right on here. Although I do have a little angel that a friend gifted me. And I keep a couple of things in there. Just go to. Because I have another big jewelry box where I keep all of my jewelry. But I really like that. That makes me happy. Awesome. Okay. The next item is, what is this? Looks like that. Let's open this up. Comes this little pouch. Oh, I did see this in a magazine just now. So this is awesome because I really wanted one of these. This is the Luna Photo Foreo, I think, and this is the brush cleaner. Look how pretty that is. I don't know if you can see with the glare. That is awesome. I really like that. Oh, I've always wanted one of these, people. Seriously, I did. I never purchased them. I just wash my brushes the old-fashioned way with either the peppermint soap from like Castle, or I used to wash them with Dawn as well, just in the palm of my hand, rinsing it. But this will probably clean it faster. Oh, I'm so excited. Awesome. All right, the next item is this is Classic Face Classic Sport. Oh, sunscreen. Classic sunscreen. The box looks like that. Some of you guys are interested in seeing the box, because if you like it, you can always purchase it. You can go back to the video and check it out. Okay, so I guess you can put this on your face, and it's a organic sun care. This is an organic SPF, which makes me very happy. I love anything organic. Honestly, I do. All about organic. Oh, nice. It's sealed, so I can't smell it, but that's nice. That's really nice. Awesome. A nice sunscreen. The next item is, what is this? Orlando Pita Play Atmos Shield Hair Protectant Spray for damp or dry hair. He's acting up. You're acting up? Yep. He's gonna make a mess of all this paper, see? Look, look, look at him. It never fails. Look at him. Oh yeah, he's gonna have a ball. So this is Orlando Pita Hair Protectant Spray. This is pretty. That's nice. Wonder what this smells like. Let's see. Oh, it's really creamy, if you can see. It's really creamy. It's thick. It smells really nice. It's really refreshing, you know, like lime. Oh, I'm going to do that tonight because I'm going to wash this hot mess up here tonight and blow dry it. You having fun? Huh, honey? You having fun? Huh, honey? Okay. The next item is muscle gel. Foaming and soothing. I don't know. De-stress. I have no idea what this is, but let me see if I can break the seal. Let's see. Oh, and I just want to thank quickly all the people that left a wonderful message in my last video. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. It really means a lot to me because I'm kind of going through something right now with my loss. Thank you. And the funeral arrangements are until this coming week. So I think it's this Thursday. So I really loved you guys' messages. It means the world to me. Thank you for the beautiful messages. Seriously, they really mean a lot to me. So this is a focusing and soothing de-stress. No idea. This is probably a face. Let me see. The ritual: apply generously and massage into overworked joints and muscles as often as necessary. Lord knows I need this today because I have been working out in that yard planting and my back is killing me right now. I was just about, when I'm done with this, with these videos, because I'm going to upload another one. I have my Ipsy. I'm going to put this on. This is great because I have the normal Bengay, but I was going to put a hot pad because I know that tomorrow, which is Father's Day, for all you dads out there, happy Father's Day. I know my back is going to be killing me because I have been out there working. Actually, me and my sister helped me. She really did a great job planting. I can't even open this. Planting some things for me, but oh yeah, this smells very minty, Bengay-ish. Smells really nice. Yeah, I'm gonna put some of this on tonight. So this looks like that. That is gonna feel really good and cool. I just put the AC on because it's pretty hot in New York today. I don't know wherever you guys is probably hotter, but are you okay? You're making a hot mess. Okay. All right, so I'm happy about that. Let's dive into the next one. This is a Pro. Oh, I love these. This is from Tarte. Pro Glow. Tarte always sends really nice things on these palettes, and oh my God, I've gotten so many nice things from Tarte in my boxes. This is, oh, I can't wait. The last box, I think I received a palette like this of lip glosses. They're awesome. Ooh, this is pretty. So it's called Tarteist Pro Glow. Isn't that pretty? Look, and it opens like this. It's black and gold. Oh, what is this? Oh, are these eyeshadows? Oh my god, this is beautiful. So this is, oh, okay, it says lit. They have names on them. Strobe, Fire, Stunner, Shade, and Sculpt. So I'm assuming that this is like the contouring. This is like a contouring palette. So it has highlighter, it has the contour. This is really nice. Look at those colors, people. Can you see them? Isn't that pretty? And it has the little two mirrors on the side. God, this is gorgeous. All right, this is really nice. This is really nice. Tarte always does a really good job, an amazing job. It's like a magnet. It closes right up. Oh my god, I'm so happy. And just to let you guys know that in my last video, I told you guys that I was going to be doing, once I reach 310 subscribers, I was going to be doing a giveaway. So a lot of these things that I will not use go into that giveaway. So just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. All right. The next product is, this is Meiji Sports. People, I think this is a jump rope. No, it's not a jump rope. This is, let's see if I can open it. What is this? Is this like a tension thingy-majig? Giovanni and Eva have created exclusive videos to show you how to get in shape using the loop-resistant band. Look, it's a loop-resistant band. Oh my goodness. So of course it comes with the card. And I'm sure it has like the website and stuff up here. Up here. Yeah. So that you can exercise, work out with the fitness trainers Giovanni Villa and Eva Burkhart on FabFitFun TV. And they'll show me how to use this. That's freaking amazing. I love this. This is awesome. Ah, nice. Really nice. Because, you know, I do like working out every now and then. Got to keep those muscles, you know, in some kind of shape. Nice. I like that. And I think this is, no, this is not the last, but what? I got a random, this is random. This straw saves, oh my goodness, they gave me a straw, because I was like, this is random. This is a straw. And the straw says, this straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. This is freaking awesome. Isn't that nice? Oh, wow. So I'm assuming that I don't want to open it. That is made of some kind of special material. Wow. I love these boxes. I'm going to tell you guys how much I love these boxes. All right. Oh, this is a travel bag. I got a travel bag. Let's see. This is cute. Oh, this is nice. Yep. From Yumi Kim. Nice little travel bag. Look at that. People, isn't that pretty inside? Oh, this is so cute. This is really nice. It's a nice little travel bag. And I needed one. I really did need one. Because the last one I had, I think I threw it out. It's pretty. It's navy blue. And it has pink and blue and white inside. It's a cute little pattern. Nice size too. Awesome. Awesome. And this is the last item. Luscious Lip Stain from Dolce. I think they've sent me some other things too, Dolce. I think in this box. Can't remember if it was Ipsy or this box. Okay, so you get two glosses. So these are lip stains. OMG, look at this, people. Look how pretty that packaging is. I'm all about, that looks real bougie. I'm all about the packaging, let me tell you. Look at this. Ooh, this is serious. Can you see that? Look at that color. That is serious. Nice. It feels just like lip stain. It's not glossy. It's matte. This is pretty. And then I'm assuming that it comes with the clear. Look at that. Isn't this pretty? Look at that. So it comes with the clear. Yep. That you can put it on. Some gloss. That's really sticky. The clear is really sticky. But that's nice. So you can wear it alone. I like that color. Looks pretty nice on me. Definitely keeping these. Can't give these away. I already put them on my lips. But yeah. Wow. So that was an awesome box. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm going to upload my Ipsy now so that I can show you guys what I received in the month of June. So stay tuned, and I'll still be wearing this lipstick. And I'll still be wearing these clothes. So you already know. Alright. See you in a bit.